Hi everybody, and welcome back to another Laha escapade. I'm Hannes.
And I'm Laura, and today we're going to be showing you one of our newest prints.
It's a Linden tree, no? Or
Linden tree.
some call it lime tree.
Yeah, in the British Isles it's called a lime tree, although it doesn't actually have limes on it. Apparently.
In Austria we call it Linde. So there we go. Keep watching.
See how we do it.
Here we go. If you liked it, you can have a look at our Etsy shop and buy one. I hope you're the best.
We ran a competition this time, a free giveaway, to see if anyone could guess what this one was, and unfortunately nobody got it right. Yeah, which is a shame. But keep watching. We'll be running another giveaway next time, and maybe next time someone will have more luck.
Alright, see you next time. Ciao.